This is a voiceless consonant. It's pronounced sh. This is the sound you make if you want someone to be quiet. Shh. Did you notice the shape of my lips? Watch. Shh. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. Shh. Shh. Now let's look at some words with the sound sh in them. It's found at the beginning of the words ship and sure, in the middle of the word nation, at the end of the word fish, and at the beginning and end of the word shush. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Ship. Shore. Nation. Fish. Shush. Good. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between the sound sh and the consonant s, especially at the beginning of words. Did you notice the difference in the shape of my lips? Watch. Sh. S. Listen carefully to the following examples. For each example, I'll say the word with sh at the beginning first. Ship, sip, show, sew, shy, sigh, chauffeur, sofa, shock, sock. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. Ship, sip, show, sew, shy, sigh, chauffeur, sofa, shock, sock. Good.
Two A.
See, she. Sue, shoe. Sip, ship. Ass, ash. Sew, show. Puss, push.
Two B.
See, she, see, she, see.
Sue, sue, shoe, sue, shoe.
Sip, ship, ship, sip, sip.
Ass, 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 ash, ass.
Sew, show, show, sew, show.
Push, push, puss, push, puss.
Two C.
C is third. She is third. I like Sue's. I like shoes. Sip it carefully. Ship it carefully. Look at that ass. Look at that ash. He won't sow it. He won't show it. Puss, he shouted. Push, he shouted.
2D.
Look at that ash.
Push, he shouted.
He won't sow it.
She is third.
Sip it carefully.
I like Sue's.
Three B. A special washing machine.
Does this shop sell washing machines?
Yes, this is the latest washing machine.
Is it Swedish?
No, madam, it's English.
Could you show me how it washes?
Shall I give you a demonstration? This one is our special demonstration machine. It's so simple. You take some sheets and shirts, you put them in the machine, you shut this door, and you push this button.
The machine shouldn't shake like that, should it?
Washing machines always shake, madam. Ah, it's finished now.
But the sheets have shrunk, and so have the shirts.
Do you wish to buy this machine, madam?
I'm not sure.